Good morning. We're talking to you from Matsa's office in Perth, Western Australia, and we'd like to talk to you this morning about the lepidolite sample test results that we received from Yongxing and which were released to the market this morning. Pascal and I had the pleasure of going to China recently, where we visited Yongxing's facilities and offices in Yangtze province, southern China, and we were absolutely amazed in what we saw. We were able to see the concentration process, the refining process, and the production of battery-grade lithium carbonate. And in short, we were extremely impressed with what we've seen. We categorically can confirm lepidolite is readily and easily processed with existing technology of Yongxing, and from the results that we received this morning, Yongxing is simply impressed with the grades and the quality of our ore and very keen to continue talking to us. Pascal, when we were in China, we dropped off 4 20-kilogram samples from pink panther, rose panther, spotted panther and black panther.
Correct.
Can you perhaps explain what we've actually achieved with those samples?
Sure, Paul. So, as Paul mentioned, we collected 4 sets of around about 20 kilos of sample from each of those key prospects. 2 of them are lepidolite prospects and 2 are polylithionite prospects. I'll just talk about the lepidolite first. The important bit for us is that Yongxing were able to demonstrate a recovery of better than 95% lithium from those lepidolite samples. That is very, very good news.
It's a great result, yes.
The other thing is that the 2 lepidolite samples could actually be processed as a DSO, so that there's no actual beneficiation required to process those and extract the lithium. If, however, you choose to do that, the concentrate that was produced from those 2 samples were just above 4% for one and 5.9 for the other. So 5.9% concentrate in lepidolite is a spectacular number.
Yeah, no, it's fantastic to see that. So for those that don't know, DSO is a direct shipping ore where we will dig the ore straight out of the ground and immediately put it either on a ship or train using Thailand's railway line and ship that directly through to Yongxing or whoever else wants to buy the ore. I guess, Pascal, the message that we want to say is that the project at this point in time has no limits. We haven't done any drilling. We expect to do that sometime in July, and we've already gone some way down the road of designing the drill programs. What do you think we'll actually be doing, Pascal?
So from now, the main thing that we need to do is just obtain the approvals for the granted tenements.
Which we hope to get by July sometime.
Correct. From there, we're actually ready to go drilling now. 4 key prospects that we intend to drill, and we have quotes in place. We've got a drilling rig on standby. We've got the team on site. We're ready to go.
Excellent. So we will use our Thai staff, who have been members of the Matsa team now for some 10 years. We will do more than likely an RC program. We will drill to 50 metres.
Oh, we'll test it down to 100 metres.
Down to 100 metres, fantastic. And from that, we will get samples and we will then have assay results. We are very hopeful of being able to delineate a resource within 6 or so months from commencing of drilling. We are talking to several different companies. Yongxing is obviously our preferred and largest Chinese entity, but we're starting to get a fair bit of interest from Thailand, Thai organisations who have got downstream processing desires to feed the automotive industry in Thailand, which happens to be the 11th largest car manufacturing nation in the world. It's quite amazing how many cars they actually do produce. I guess in closing, there's a lot of things that we want to say, and we're very happy to talk to shareholders individually, or anyone in fact who's interested with regard to our lepidolite projects in Thailand. Pascal will shortly be going back to Thailand and continue the exploration and growth of the projects, now understanding the lepidolite in Thailand. But for now, as we continue our works, there is a takeaway message that we would like to leave you with. And Pascal, what are your thoughts?
I guess the key one there is there are no technical limits to our project. We've got good ground, We know there are occurrences there, we just need to drill it.
Guys, you're very welcome to email us or call us, and we're happy to talk all day long with regard to what we've got in Thailand. Thank you very much.